Modern smartwatches have been around for several years already, and for some time, the innovation stagnated. They slowly turned into mere fitness trackers and an extension of your phones. But the Huawei Watch 3 tries to be more than just your regular smartwatch, and in this video, I'll share with you what I found to be actually useful in your daily routine. First off, here's a quick unboxing to give you an idea of what's included in the package. The Watch 3's huge 1.43-inch Super AMOLED display will immediately grab your attention. It has a 360 by 360 display resolution, and its 16 million colors guarantees a very vibrant looking display. It also has a 3D curved glass protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and the back has a ceramic and sapphire polish, and all of these are put together in a titanium metal body. The version that I got has a black fluoro elastomer, also known as synthetic rubber strap, but there are also leather, nylon, and stainless steel options as well. The straps are easy to remove and replace if you want to change your Watch 3's looks from time to time. However, the black strap is only available here in the Philippines. Now let me just briefly give you a run through of its specs before we dive into its key features. It has 16GB of storage and 2GB of RAM, ensuring that this will run smoothly along with the Harmony OS. It also has a loudspeaker located near the crown, and I'll show you how useful this is later on in the video. As for its connectivity, this has the latest Bluetooth 5.2 and it even has Wi-Fi. And of course, this has GPS built in already, allowing you to accurately track your exercise path. Lastly, it has tons of other health and fitness related sensors, and I'll just flash them here on your screen. Now for the purpose of this video, I'd like to highlight 3 functions that I love about the Watch 3. Now let's start off with its eSIM capability. In the simplest terms, the eSIM feature gives your watch actual phone capabilities. That means you can make and take calls even without your phone beside you. This is absolutely amazing, as you can make quick calls to anyone in your contacts with just your Watch 3. Now I can't highlight enough how convenient this is, but from personal experience, there have been several times when I was able to take calls just from my Watch 3, and in all honesty, the call quality is actually good. Ikaw? Yeah. Kanina. Hello? Yes?
Nasa delivery po.
Okay. Nasa gate na po kayo? So I answered the call using my watch. That is so cool, guys. Now I know that this is a feature that's been implemented before in other watches, but the execution in the Watch 3 is definitely seamless. And I think this is a feature that future high-end smartwatches should always endeavor to have. Also, for 90s kids like me, this will allow you to live out your dream. Oh my god, it's these guys again.
I am Zordon, an interdimensional being caught in a time warp.
And my name is Alpha.
Zordon, I've told you several times already, I'm not gonna be joining your Power Rangers. This guy, man. By the way, just a quick note, as of now, you can only activate the eSIM function through specific branches of your network provider. Also, you might get a different number from the one that you have right now, but a future update should allow you to have the same phone number as your SIM card. I'll also try to list down all of the branches in the description box where you can have your eSIM activated. Alright, so next up, I want to highlight the fluidity and smoothness of the Harmony OS on the Watch 3. Just like a phone, you have a grid launcher, and this can be easily accessed by pressing the crown. And speaking of the crown, this is gonna be your zoom wheel, and trust me, this is gonna be so satisfying to keep rotating. But going back, the Harmony OS provides simple transitions that just helps tie up everything together to give you a seamless experience, whether you're just scrolling through the health stats or if you're just trying to adjust some of your Watch 3 settings. Now, if the seamless transitions won't impress you, maybe the interactive watch faces can? With the Watch 3, Huawei has introduced several interactive watch faces, from moon faces, constellations, and even a pinball watch face. And for do-it-yourself watch faces, you can customize it with your favorite photo of your family or even with a short video clip. This level of personalization is so amazing, and it gives you a concrete sense of ownership of your Watch 3. All of your typical smartwatch fitness monitoring features can also be found here. The step tracker, calories burned counter, and sleep monitoring features all work perfectly on the Watch 3. But what's new are the blood oxygen level monitoring, which is so important these days because of the pandemic, and you also have a temperature monitoring already incorporated, so this can detect the user's wrist temperature as long as it falls in the range of 15 to 35 degrees Celsius. And what's even cooler is that Huawei will also be providing a hand washing detection in their future software update, which will give you a prompt that you properly washed your hands, but only if it lasts for at least 20 seconds. And all of this is made possible with the combination of the Watch 3's accelerometer, gyroscope, and its microphone. And lastly, I want to talk about the Watch 3's impressive battery life. So Huawei claims that it can last for about 3 days in its default battery mode, but I was actually able to squeeze almost 5 days worth of battery life with all of the health monitoring turned on. I was totally surprised that it lasted that long. Do take note, however, that the only exercise that I did during the period was simple walking exercises. Other than that, I only answered a few calls here and there with the Watch 3, and it was pretty much uneventful thereafter. So as I always caution with battery life comparisons, your mileage will always vary depending on your use case scenario. But if you really want to push your Watch 3's battery life, there is a super saving mode which will extend the Watch 3's battery life up to 14 days. Another impressive thing about the Watch 3 is that you can actually recharge it with your smartphone that is capable of reverse wireless charging. This is gonna be super convenient, especially if you forgot to bring your Watch 3's proprietary charger. Alright, so those are the 3 main things that I wanted to highlight about the Watch 3, but trust me, those are not the only things that this can do. You can also track many of your fitness exercises, as this has an upgraded sports monitoring feature, providing you with over 100 workout modes. The Watch 3 also has its own standalone music player. However, you do need to subscribe to Huawei's music service in order to take advantage of this feature. But if you have your own music streaming service on your phone, you can just simply control it using your Watch 3. Now, you also have the option to download up to 6 GB worth of music to your Watch 3 directly. Lastly, but also very important, it has a fall detection and SOS alert feature, in which the Watch 3 will automatically enter help mode when a fall is detected. Now in help mode, the user can select either emergency call, I fell but I'm fine, or I didn't fall. Now with all that said, the Watch 3 comes in hot at 18,999 pesos. The price might be a little steep, but with all of the features that you're getting, I think this is well worth it. Besides, this is a premium piece of tech after all. The Huawei Watch 3 is definitely the most complete smartwatch that I've tried so far. Its overall aesthetics and the smoothness of its Harmony OS combine to give you one of the most seamless smartwatch experiences out there. And take note, I wasn't even using a Huawei phone to pair with it. I'd imagine the experience would even be better with a Huawei smartphone. So if you're looking for a great smartwatch with all of the important features packed into it, I can highly recommend the Huawei Watch 3. Now, if you want to get your own Watch 3, all of the links are going to be in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this. in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.